Hello and welcome to the presentation of Aber Awards 2021. Since the 21st of September 2020 until the 4th of May this year, students have been logging their volunteer hours to work towards the Aber Award. This award is a yearly milestone, which is our way to celebrate and recognize the commitment of Aberystwyth student volunteers. This year, we have seen how volunteers can play a key part in supporting individuals and communities at the time of need. Whilst the landscape of volunteering opportunities changed this year dramatically, it's been great to see that so many students have given up their time by either contributing to COVID efforts, continuing with current roles that have been adapted to suit guidance, or taking on a new role, be that at the home or in Aberystwyth. This year, a total of 5,029 volunteering hours were logged by 113 volunteers. Congratulations! To everyone who has volunteered this year, whether you have worked towards the Aber Award or not, we want to say a great thank you. We know that hundreds of students volunteer their time whilst here at university, so a thank you goes out to club and societies committees and members, A-team volunteers, academic reps, volunteer officers, peer guides, and community volunteers. Of the volunteer hours recorded this year, we know that this only reflects a small proportion of the total number of hours given up by student volunteers. So, before we go into naming those who have achieved the Aber Award this year, we first wanted to highlight some key achievements.
This year was the fourth year Aberystwyth students took part in Student Volunteering Week. Student Volunteering Week is a UK-wide celebration and engagement of student volunteers which provides an opportunity for us not only to shine the light on current volunteers but also gives others the chance to take part in one-off volunteering organised by the Students' Union. Despite the need to move everything online this year, we still had over 60 students take part in one or more of the 7 volunteering workshops or information sessions. Between them they gave up over 100 hours. Activities that happened throughout the week included Dementia Friends training session, a recycling information session, dolphin survey training, Samaritans Compassionate Listening training, a climate change forum, and a Commonwealth Games volunteering talk which was attended by students across the UK as well as Aberystwyth. Thanks to everyone that took part this year.
Every year, our clubs and societies raise thousands of pounds for charity, and whilst fundraising efforts may have been more socially distanced or more online than usual, it didn't stop our students from raising much needed funds for both local and national charities. Some of the activities that took place included a 24-hour fundraiser for the Old College Fund, which raised £227, thanks to Showdance, Bee Conservation Society, Animal and Vet Society, Pool Club, Beer Pong Club, and Lacrosse, Panthers, and Jock Sock. Those online events that they ran, and thanks to everyone who donated, meant there was a success of this fundraising efforts. ACV, so Aberystwyth Conservation Volunteers, ran a raffle raising £61 for Aberystwyth Butterfly House. £888 has been raised for the charity Mind through RAG, with an extra £310 raised by Aberystwyth Sailing Club as part of their Run, Walk or Cycle Race for Mind challenge. Tickled Pink ran online events and sold their annual naked calendar to raise £247 for Copperfield and Breast Cancer Now. AMC put in the miles as part of 48-hour fundraiser, which meant they walked up and down Constitution Hill until they had climbed the height of the 7 summits. In total, they raised £1,450 for Llanberis Mountain Rescue. And finally, Men's Rugby Union raised an amazing of £5,050 for Wales Air Ambulance as part of their 24-hour marathon challenge. Well done, and thank you to anyone who has raised money for charity this year. Congratulations.
We will next be announcing the awards, but before we do, we wanted to highlight the breadth of volunteering that was recorded this year. Of the hours recorded, over half of these were recorded by a club and society committee and members. It's been clear to see the commitment and creativity of committee this year, where they have safely adapted their activities and engaged their members even when meeting in person wasn't possible. A quarter of the hours recorded come from those volunteering in the student community or within the local community. This included Girl Guide leaders, delivering food boxes, making face masks, community gardening, befriending, litter picks and beach cleans, Discord community building, charity shop volunteering and police volunteering. These recorded hours give us a snapshot into the sort of volunteering undertaken by students. The remaining hours came from academic reps, A-team, peer mentors and volunteer officers who have all adapted their roles this year to being largely online by talking and listening to their peers, collecting feedback, hosting online vigils, holding question and answer sessions or attending meetings. These volunteers have all been able to successfully carry their roles out online. Finally, if you didn't record your hours this year and will be continuing your studies in September, the Volunteer Hub will reopen in the new academic year and we'd really encourage you to get involved. Without further ado, it's time to announce those that have achieved one of our milestone Aber Awards.
First, we'll be starting with those individuals that have achieved a Bronze Award. These students recorded between 30 and 59 hours of volunteering. A total of 27 students achieved the Bronze Award, so congratulations goes to Gwendolyn Jenkins, Anna Nazarovich, Cameron Deakin, Carrie Lois Owen, Chloe Steer, Christine van der Grift, Gabriella Hirakova, Harriet Olver, Heather Stott, Jakob Klebik, Jessica Wheel, Zoe Hain, James Evans, Jonathan Tarrant, Carlia Wheatley Cornblum, Lowry Geddes, Lucia Smith, Megan Condleaf, Megan Atkinson, Nina Marie Brown, Philip Mottershead, Reese Sewell, Sophie Marie Barbell, Sophia McDonnell, Steph Moore and Violetta Korominis. Congratulations everyone on receiving this award.
Now we move on to those who have achieved the Silver Award. These students recorded between 60 and 119 volunteering hours, as well as recording at least 4 skills gained from their role or activity. A total of 19 students achieved the Silver Award, so congratulations, a llonga faciadau goes to Alex Penning, Eileen Sturrock, Andrew Mitchell, Anna Safarin, Anna Wolski, Ellen Hjort, Ella Holland, Grace Sawyer, Kiera Greisdijk, Jerry Evans, Lucia Pione Michael, Megan Paget, Megan Bunker, Jazz Evans, Rachel Dye, Reese Yule, Rosie Durant, Simon Bednadri and Simon Howarth. Diane Pab, well done to everyone receiving this award.
Finally, we move on to those who achieved the Gold Award. These students recorded over 120 hours of volunteering, as well as recording at least 8 skills gained from their role or activity. This is a fantastic achievement, with some of these students going far above this milestone. Your dedication to your role or roles is outstanding, and we're really pleased to be able to recognise you in this way. A total of 15 students achieved the Gold Award, so a big congratulations goes to Adam Burlingham, Alicia Jackson, Amber McNeil, Krista Vigo, Courtney Venn, Ellen Cockram, Emma Martignac, Georgia Grace Williams, Joel Adams, Jodie Notley, Catherine Taylor, Marta Donato, Olivia Rose and Rio Sambrook. Diane Poub, well done to everyone receiving this award.
Thank you for watching. Everyone will get their certificates next week, and for now I would just like to give you a great congratulations. That's some great work you did there.